Hi, my name is Christopher Columbus. I was born in 1415 in January. I went on many voyages. I explored for Spain in 1492. After years of waiting, the King and Queen of Spain finally they agreed to help me.
Hi, my name is Juan Ponce de Leon. I was born in Spain in 1460. I sailed with Christopher Columbus on my second expedition to the New World in 1493. I became governor of Puerto Rico. I asked King Ferdinand for a voyage to look for the Fountain of Youth and to go to the Bahamas to find more riches. I claimed land for Florida and named it La Florida. I died of an arrow wound in 1521.
Hi, I'm Jack Cartier. I was born on December the 30th, 1491 in France. On my first voyage, I had 2 ships and 61 men. Like so many others, I was searching for gold, riches, spices, and a passage to Asia. I arrived in only 20 days. I sailed around the newfound land to what I named the Gulf of St. Lawrence. The King of France sent me with more ships and men. My last voyage, I went to Canada. I sadly died.
Hi, my name is Vasco Nunez Verbola. I am sponsored in Spain and I fight with Native Americans and I try to find new land for Spanish settlers. And then I landed on the eastern part of the Pacific Ocean. Then I married the daughter of the Native American chief. Then I was beheaded because I betrayed my one's country and died.
Hi, I'm John Cabot. I was born around 1415. I got a ship that was called Matthew. I got a crew with 18 men, and one of my crew members was my son Sebastian.
I am Henry Hudson. I was born around 1565 in England. In 1607, an English company, the Muscovy Company, hired me to find the Northwest Passage. I named a river after myself. My crew was upset. They mutilated me. I was never heard from again.